Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today we are studying the subject Cambridge O-Levels D-Maths 4024. We are working on the syllabus of this subject, and we are working from the book D2. The name of the book is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition, book 2. And we are working on its 4th chapter, and today we are attempting the last exercise of this chapter, and the name of the exercise is review exercise 4. This chapter is about the factorization by grouping, expansion of the algebraic expressions using special algebraic identities, expansion and factorization of the algebraic expressions. So this is about factorization and expansion and simplification. So this is the last exercise of that chapter, and this is my first video on this exercise. Let's see how many questions of this exercise we can do in this this video. So let's start today's review exercise 4. So the review exercise 4 is showing up on your screen. The first question is expand each of the following expressions. The first question as A part is minus 2a bracket a minus 5b plus 7 bracket close. So this minus 2a is basically multiplying with all the members of this bracket. So we will multiply them. So let me show you how I have done this. Okay. So you can see minus 2a multiplied with a will be minus 2a square, minus 2a multiplied with minus 5b, it will be plus 10ab, minus 2a multiplied with the 7 will be minus 14a. So this is how you will do the a part. The b part is there are two brackets, 2c plus 3d in one bracket, 3c plus 4d in the other bracket. You have to expand it. So basically two brackets are multiplying. So first member of the first bracket will multiply with the second bracket. You can see I have written here. Then the second member of the first bracket will multiply with the second bracket. And you can see I have written it here. So now when the 2c will multiply with the 3c, it will be 6c squared. 2c multiply with the 4d, it will be 8cd. 3d multiply with the 3c, it will be 9cd. And the 3d multiply with the 4d, it will be 12d squared. So we will have 6c squared. And these two are the like terms, so they can be added. So it will be 17cd and plus 12d squared. So this is how you will expand it and you will simplify the question number 1b part. Question number 1 and its c part showing up on your screen. And you can see, okay. It is k plus 3h in one bracket and 5h minus 4k in the other bracket. You have to multiply them. So question number 1 and its C part is showing up on your screen. So that K, which is the first member here, will multiply with this second bracket. Then plus 3H will multiply with this bracket. You can see I've written it here. So K will multiply with the 5H, it will be 5HK. K multiply with the minus 4K square. 3H multiply with the 5H, it will be 15H square. And 3h multiplied with the minus 4k, it will be minus 12hk. So we will rearrange them. Minus 4k squared plus 5hk minus 12hk plus 15h squared. So minus 4k squared plus 5hk minus 12hk, that will be minus 7hk and plus 15h squared. So this is how you will do the question number 1. It's C part. Question number 1b part. Here again we have two brackets. They are multiplying with each other. There's no problem in it. The only problem is that here in the second bracket we have 3 members. So the 2m will multiply with this whole second bracket. Then plus 1 will multiply with this bracket. So 2m will multiply with all the 3 members here. Same way plus 1 will multiply with all the 3 members in the second bracket. So you will have 2m cubed plus 6m squared minus 2m plus 1m squared plus 3m minus 1. So 2m cubed and these two joined together, they will make 7m squared and minus 2m plus 3m, it will be plus m and minus 1. So this is how you will do question number 1 and it's D part. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 2. It says expand and simplify each of the following. Here we have 2p bracket 3p minus 5q minus q bracket 2q minus 3p bracket close. So very simple and straightforward question. So that's coming up on your screen. 2p multiplied 3p, it will be 6p square. 2p multiplied with the 5 minus 5q, it will be minus 10pq. Minus q multiplied with the 2q, it will be minus 2q square. Minus q multiplied with the minus 3p, it will be plus 3pq. We will rearrange, and 2p square minus 10pq plus 3pq minus 2q square, 6p square minus 7pq. Minus 10pq plus 3pq, it is minus 7pq minus 2q square. So this is how you will do the question number 2, is A part. Question number 2, it's B part. He says minus 4s bracket 3s plus 4r bracket close minus 2r bracket 2r minus 5s bracket close. Simple and straightforward question. Only there's a negative in both the outside both the brackets. So this, when you open those brackets, their signs will change. Minus 4s multiplied with the plus 3s, it will be minus 12s square. Minus 4s multiplied with the plus 4r, it will be minus 16sr. Minus 2r multiplied with the positive 2r, it will be minus 4r square. Minus 2r multiplied with the minus 5s, it will be plus 10sr. So minus 10s square minus 16sr minus 6sr. So we have simplified these two, and minus 4r square. Minus 16sr plus 10sr will be minus 6sr. So this is how you will do question number 2. It's B part. Question number 2 and it's C part. Here we have a bracket in which we have 8t minus u, then again another bracket t plus 9u in that bracket, then we have minus t bracket 2u minus 7t. So these two brackets will multiply with each other, and this minus t will multiply with this bracket, and we will simplify them. So here we go. So 8t will multiply with this bracket. You can see I have written it here. Minus u will multiply with this bracket. You can see I have written it here. So this minus t will multiply with this bracket. So you get minus 2u tu, sorry, plus 7t square. So from here I will have 8t square plus 72tu minus tu minus 9u square minus 2tu plus 7t square. So 8t square plus 7, you have 8t square. Then here you have plus 7t square. So here you have 72tu minus tu minus 2tu. So it will be 69tu, and here you have minus u square. So this t square, it will be 15t square. This will remain as it is, and this will also remain as it is. So this is how you do this question. Let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question. So the whole question is showing up on your screen, and I hope that you are able to do this question now. So question number 2 and it's D part. Here we have question number 2, D part. Here we have two brackets that are multiplying with each other. Then we have a negative sign. And again, here we have two brackets which are multiplying with each other. So due to this negative, I will put a square bracket here and I will multiply them. And when I will open that square bracket, the signs will change. So here we go, 2w plus 3x into w minus 5x minus 3w plus 7x and w minus 7x. Okay, so this 2w will multiply with this bracket, then plus 3x will multiply with this bracket. So you can see I have written here 2w bracket w minus 5x and bracket close plus 3x bracket w minus 5x bracket close. You understand this, how I opened it? Then minus, then I put a square bracket here. I will multiply these two brackets with each other. 3w will multiply with a w minus 7x, then plus 7x will multiply with a w minus 7x, bracket close, square bracket close. So this will become 2w square minus 10wx plus 3wx minus 15x square. Negative square bracket. This will become 3w square minus 21wx plus 7wx minus 49x square, and the square bracket closed. Then we will have 2w square and this minus 7wx minus 15x square minus square bracket. So inside you are left with 3w square minus 14wx minus 49x square bracket closed. And 2w square minus 7wx minus 15x square. Now I will open this square bracket. Then I will remove this square bracket because it has a negative sign outside. So all the members inside it, their signs will change. So this will become minus w square. This will become plus 14wx. This will become plus 49x square. Now we will arrange the like terms together. 2w square minus 3w square minus 7wx plus 14wx minus 15x square plus 49x square. So you will have 2w square minus 3w square. You will left with the minus w square. And then you have plus 7wx and plus 34x square. And the answer is right. I have already checked. It's a little tricky question, a long question, relatively longer, but I can hope that you can understand this. The solution is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay, so that was the question number 2. It's D part. Now we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 3. It says, factorize each of the following expressions completely. Okay, so we have x squared plus 2xy minus 63y squared. Okay, so I will go with the midterm breaking. So I will multiply the extreme terms here. That give me 63 x squared y squared. I will write the factors of the 63. So they are 1 into 63, 3 into 21, 7 into 9. With the third term, we have a negative sign. So I will write here subtract. So I will choose that pair, which by subtraction will give me plus 2. So 9 and 7 by subtraction, they can give you 2 because you want positive 2. So with the larger number, I will put a positive sign. And with the smaller number, I will put a negative sign. So you can see I've written here, I've done the midterm breaking x squared minus 7x plus 9x, sorry, minus 7xy plus 9xy minus 63y squared. From the first two terms, you can see the x is common. So take that x common, x squared divided by x, you will left with the x minus 7xy divided by x, you are left with minus 7y. Close the bracket, plus. And here in the last two terms, you can see 9 is common and y is common. So divide the 9xy with the 9y, you get x, and divide minus 63y squared with the plus 9y. You are left with the 7y in that bracket. Now in this term and in this term, this bracket x minus 7y, that is common. So take that bracket common. From here you will have x, from here you will have 9y. So this is how you will do the factorization of the question number 3. Is A part, we have used midterm breaking. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 3. It's B part. It is 2x squared plus 5x plus 3y squared. Okay, so here we go. So we will multiply the extreme terms. It gives you 6x squared y squared. So we will write the factors of the 6. They are 1 into 6, 2 into 3. So with the third term, you can see here we have a positive sign. So it means right here add. So I'm looking for that pair which by addition will give me 5. I want positive 5. So both of them will be given the positive signs. So 2x squared plus 2xy plus 3xy plus 3y squared. From the first two terms, you can see 2x is common. Divide the 2x squared with the 2x and you get x. Divide 2xy with the 2x and you get 1y. Bracket close plus. From the last two terms, 3y is common. Divide the 3xy with the 3y, you get x. Divide 3y squared with the 3y, you get 1y. Now you can see in this term and in this term, x plus 1y is common. Take that common. From here, you are left with the 2x. From here, you are left with the plus 3y. And this is how you will factorize question number 3. It's B part. Okay, so we are going to the question number 3. It's C part. It says 6x squared y squared minus 5xy minus 4. So multiply the extreme terms. Multiply the extreme terms. When you multiply the extreme terms, you get 24x square y square. Okay, so write the factors of 24. The factors of 24 are 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. So then look at the third term. The sign of the third term is negative. So I write here subtract. So I'm looking for that pair, which by subtraction will give me -5. So that is 3 and 8. Because you want -5, so with the larger number, I will put minus sign. And with the smaller number, I will put 3, positive 3. So the 6x squared y squared plus 3xy minus 8xy minus 4. From the first two terms, 3xy is common. When you divide 6x squared y squared with the 3xy, you get 2xy. When you divide 3xy with the 3xy, you get 1, bracket close. From the last two terms, -4 is common. So divide the 8xy with the minus 8xy with the -4, you get 2xy. Divide -4 with the -4, you get +1. And when you look at this term and this term, the bracket 2xy plus 1 is common. So take that common. So from here, you are left with the 3xy. From here, you are left with the -4. And this is how to do the factorization of the question number 3. It's C part. Okay, so question number 3 is D part. He says 3z minus 8xyz plus 4x squared y squared z. Okay, so first of all, let me show you that the z is common in all of them. That's the first rule of the factorization. If something is common in all the terms, take it common. That will make your question easier because the alphabet z is common in all the terms. So take the z common. So when you take z common, put a square bracket here. So you are left with the 3 minus 8xy plus 4x squared y squared. Multiply the extreme terms which are in that square bracket, and rest of the thing is normal. So 12x squared y squared, this z will continue with it. Write the factors of the 12. They will be 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. With the third term, we have a positive sign. So I will write here an add. So we will choose that pair, which by addition will give you 8. 6 and 2 is that pair. But we want -8, so both of them will be given a negative sign. So when you have to add, you give both the both the terms in that pair same sign. Either both of them given a positive sign or both of them are given a negative sign. Okay, so you will have z square bracket 3 minus 2xy minus 6xy plus 4x squared y square square bracket close. From the first two terms, 1 is common. Put a bracket here, 3 minus 2xy. From the last two terms, minus 2xy is common. So when you divide minus 6xy with the minus 2xy, you get 3. When you divide 4x squared y squared with the minus 2xy, you get minus 2xy and bracket close, square bracket close. So inside the square bracket, you can see there are two terms, and in them, there is a bracket common. And that bracket is 3 minus 2xy. Take that bracket common. So from here, you are left with the 1. So write it here. From here, you are left with the minus 2xy. Square bracket close. Okay. Now, you can see this has been factorized. This is z bracket 3 minus 2xy in one bracket. In the other bracket, I have 1 minus 2xy. So my dear students, let me show you the whole. Yeah. Now the whole question is showing up on your screen. And you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. I hope you have understood it. Okay, so we are going to the question number 8, and there are not too many questions. We are on the question number 4. Sorry, I said 8. We are on the question number 4. He says expand each of the following expressions. And here we have minus x plus 5y whole square. So here we go. Okay, so minus x plus 5y whole square, it can be written as 5y minus x whole square. So I will use the formula a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Square of the first term minus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term. So we will have 5y square minus 2, 5y whole square minus 2 into 5y into x plus x square. It will be 25y square minus 10xy plus y square. So this is how you will use the algebraic identity to expand it, to open it. And I hope you understand. Then the next question, B part, x squared plus y. In one bracket, in the other bracket, I have x squared minus y. So this is question number 4, and it's B part. And this is like a plus b into a minus b. And when you multiply them, the answer is always a square minus b square. You have two brackets which are exactly same, only in the first bracket, there is a positive sign between them, its members, and there's a negative sign between its members. In this case, this is exactly like a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So in this case, it will be x square minus y square. So it will be x raised to power 4 minus y square. So this is how you will factorize the question number 4. It's B part. I have used the identity a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So if you have a plus b, a minus b, you can write it as a square minus b square. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so question number 4 is C part, 3x plus 4y by 5 whole square. Very simple and straightforward question. So square of the, this is like a plus b whole square, and that will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, square of the first term plus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term. So we will have 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 4y divided by 5 plus 4 by 5 whole square. So you will have 9x square, and you will have 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24xy divided by 5 plus 16y square divided by 25. So this is how you will do question number 4, and it's C part. Question number 4 is D part. We have a minus x by 4 minus y by 6 whole here. Okay, so because I told you once already that if you have two negatives inside the bracket and a whole square between the two terms, and so both the negative, they can be taken as common, but when they come out, the square which was on that bracket, that also comes with them. So minus 1 square will be positive 1. So just write it here. So you can see I have taken negative 1 common, and that square will also go with it. So inside the bracket, I will have x by 4 whole square plus 2 into x by 4 into y by 6 plus y by 6 whole square. You see, basically I'm using a plus b whole square formula, which is equal to a square minus 2ab, sorry, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you will have, this will become x square by 16 plus 24, 24 cancelled with the 2, it will be 12xy divided by 12 plus y square divided by 36. So your final answer will be x square by 16 plus xy divided by 12 plus y square divided by 36. So this is how you will do this question. So this is, you can slow down the video or pause the video, and you can see this is how this question is done. Let me read this. So now you can see that whole question number 4 is D part coming up on your screen. You can pause the video and take your time. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 4. It's E part. Here we have 5x minus 7y by 4. And in the other bracket, we have 5x plus 7y by 4. So I have to multiply them. This is exactly like a minus b into a plus b. That will be equals to a square minus b square, square of the square of the first bracket, and minus square of the second bracket. Square of the first term minus square of the second term. So here you can see I have taken 5x whole square minus 7y by 4 whole square. So it will be 25y square minus 49y square by 16. So this is how you will do. We have used the formula a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So that's question number 4, and it's E part. Now on your screen, coming up, question number 4, it's F part. Again, it's the same question. It's like A plus B into A minus B. And that will be equals to A square minus B square. So this, let's solve it. Question number 4, F part. So you will have 3xy by 4 whole square minus z by 3 whole square. So it will be 9x square y square by 16 minus z square by 9. So we have used that formula. I told you A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. So the next question coming up on your screen is question number 5. He says factorize each of the following expressions completely. 1 minus 121x square. You know, 1 is the square of 1. So 1 can be written as 1 square. And 121 is 11 square. Okay, so we can use the formula. So 1 square minus 11x square. So this is like A square minus B square. If you have difference of two squares, A square minus B square, that can be written as A plus B in one bracket, A minus B in the other bracket. So I can write this as in one bracket, I will write 1 plus 11x, and in the other bracket, I will write 1 minus 11x. So this is how you will factorize. Question number 5, it's B part. It's x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. So we can use here the identity, and we can also use the midterm breaking. So I have adopted midterm breaking. So I will multiply the extreme terms. You get 9y square x square. I will write the factors of the 9. The factors of the 9 are 1 multiply 9, 3 multiply 3. And with the third term, you have positive sign. You can see here. With the third term, you have positive sign. So I will write here add. So I will choose that pair, which by addition will give me 6. So 3 and 3. Because you want positive 6, so I will write here positive sign. So you will have x squared plus 3xy plus 3xy plus 9y squared. From the first two terms, you can see x is common. So from here you are left with the x, and from here you are left with the 3y. From the last two terms, 3y is common. So take 3y common, you are left with the x plus 3y bracket close. From this term and this term, this bracket x plus 3y is common. Take that common, x plus 3y. From here, you are left with the x. From here, you are left with the 3y. And you can see these two brackets are exactly the same. So this can be written as x plus 3y whole square. So this is how you will do question number 5. It's B part. Okay, so we have the question number 5. It's the C part. And I have used the identity to solve it. First of all, you can see that 25 is common in them, so take the 25 out, and you are inside the bracket, you are left with x square minus 4xy plus 4y square. So because these are two perfect squares, so I can write it x square. This can be written as 2y square, and in the middle I have written minus 2 into first term into second term, minus 2 into x into 2y. So this becomes 4xy, which is exactly this, so it's good. So now this can be a square minus 2ab plus b square, and that is equals to a minus b whole square. So it will be x minus 2y whole square. So this is how I have factorized it with the identity. Question number 5 is D part. It says 36y square minus 49 bracket x plus 1 whole square. So you can see these two are perfect square. This is 6y whole square. This is minus 7 bracket x plus 1 bracket whole square. So this is two perfect square and negative between them. And in this case, we write two brackets, first term minus plus second term, first term minus second. So you can see 36y square can be written as 36 bracket around it and a whole square. And the 49 bracket x plus 1 y plus 1 whole square. That will be 7 bracket x plus 1 bracket goes and whole square on it. So you have two perfect squares and negative sign between them. So you will have a plus b first term plus the second term. In the other bracket, you will have first term minus the second term. So you will have 6y plus 7x plus 7. And here you will have 6y minus 7x minus 7. So that's it. You can, if you see, you can do this factorization. This was question number 5. It's D part. Now we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 6. It says, factorize each of the following expressions completely. So the A part is minus 14xy minus 21y square. So from here, minus 7 is common, 7 and y is also common. So minus 7y is common. So put a square bracket, minus 14xy divided by minus 7y. So you are left with the 2x. And when you divide minus 21y square with the minus 7y, you are left with the plus 3y. So this is how you do this. Question number 6 is B part. He says 9xy square minus 36x square y. So we'll see what is common, which can be common. So you can see 9 is common, x is common, y is common. Take them common. Inside you are left with y minus 4x. This is how you do question number 6. B part. Question number 6, C part. Here we have two brackets, here we have two brackets, and they want us to factorize it. So if you look at carefully, now, both these a plus b, b plus a, that means the same thing. So you can take a plus b common. From here, you are left with the 2x minus 3y. From here, you are left with the plus x minus y. So inside this bracket, 2x plus x, it will be 3x minus 4y minus y minus 4y. So this is how you will do question number 6, and it's C part. I hope you can understand this. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 6, is D part. Okay, so here we have 5 bracket x minus 2y bracket close minus bracket x minus 2y bracket close whole square. So this bracket x minus 2y can be taken common from both the terms. So I've taken it common. From here, you are left with the 5. Then we have minus sign. From here, you are left with one of the brackets, x minus 2y. Square bracket close. So x minus 2y in one bracket. Here you will have 5. When you open it, it will be minus x plus 2y. So this is how you do question number 6, and it's D part. Now we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 6, and it's E part. He says, so we have x squared plus 3xy plus 2x plus 6y. So from the first two terms, you can see x is common. I will take x common. So inside the bracket, you are left with the x plus 3y. Then in the last two terms, you can see the plus 3 is common. So, sorry, plus 2 is common. So take that 2 common. So inside the bracket, you are left with x plus 3y. Now you can see x plus 3y can be common from both the terms. So you will have in the other term, in the other bracket, you will have x plus 2. So you will have x plus 3y in one bracket, x plus 2 in the other bracket. So this is how you will factorize question number 6. Question number 6 is F part. He says 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Okay, very simple and straightforward question. From the first two terms, you can see x squared is common. Take that x squared common. So you are left with, inside the bracket, you are left with the 3x minus 2. And from the last two terms, plus 1 is common. So you will have 3x minus 2. Now you can see that 3x minus 2 is common in both the terms. So take that common. So inside you are left with the x squared plus 1. So question number 6 is G part. It says 4cx minus 6cy minus 8 dx plus 12 dy. Okay. So from the first two terms, you can see 2c is common. So you are left with the 2x minus 3y in that bracket. And from the last two terms, minus 4d is common. So inside the bracket, you are left with the 2x minus 3y. Now I will take that bracket 2x minus 3y common. And from here, you are left with the 2c, from here minus 4d. And now from here, you can take 2 common and you will have 2x minus 3y and it will be c minus 2d. I have taken 2 common from here. That's the rule of the factorization. So question number 6 is 8h part. It says 5xy minus 10xy minus 12y plus 6y square. So 5xy minus 10x minus 12y plus 6y square from the first two terms. 5x can be taken as common. So inside the bracket, you are left with the y minus 2. From the last two terms, we can take minus 2y common. So minus 6y common. So inside the bracket, you are left with the 2 minus y. So these two brackets, they are not exactly the same. So I've put a negative out. And here you will have 6y bracket y minus 2. When I have taken negative out from here, their signs have changed and their order has changed. Now you can see this y minus 2 is present in both the terms, so take that common. So from here, you are left with the 5x, and from here, you are left with the plus 6y. So this is how you do question number 6 and its H part. Then we have question number 7. It says factorize the expression x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Completely very simple and a straightforward question. Question number 7. From the the first two terms, I can take x square common. So you are left in the bracket with the x plus 1. And from the last two terms, minus 4 is common. Take that minus 4 common. So you will have x plus 1 in the other bracket. So now you can see here that in the both the terms, x plus 1 is common. From here, you will have x square. From here, you will have minus 4. Now, x plus 1 will remain as it is in the other bracket. Put a square bracket here. This is x square. This is minus 2 square. So because you have two perfect square and a negative between them, you can apply the formula a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So this x square minus 2 square, that will become x plus 1 and x minus 2. Okay, so we are on the question number 8. He says, without using a calculator, evaluate each of the following. He says 899 whole square. So I will use the algebraic identity to find its answer. Okay, 899 is basically 900 minus 1 whole square. So I will apply the formula a minus b whole square. That will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a here is 900, b here is 1. So 900 square minus 2 into 900 into 1 plus 1 square. 900 square will be 810,000 minus 1800 plus 1. So when you do this calculation, the final answer will be 808201. I hope you understand how I have done this. Okay, the next question on your screen is the question number 8 and its B part. He says 659 square minus 341 square. So you have like a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So that's the way we will do this. A square minus b square will be equals to a plus b, a minus b. So we can do this 659 square minus 341 square. So it will be 659 plus 341 in one bracket, and in the other bracket it will be 659 minus 341. So it will be the first bracket, its answer will be 1000. Second bracket, 651 minus 341, that will be 318. So multiply the 318 with the 1000, and that will be equals to 318,000. So this is how you will do the question number 8 and its B part. So we are on the question number 9. He says if 2 bracket x minus y whole square is equal to 116 and the xy is equal to 24. He says find the value of the x square plus y square. Okay. So so 2 bracket x minus y whole square is equal to 116. Take this 2 to the other side. So you will have x minus y whole square equals to 116 divided by 2. So x minus y whole square will be equals to 58. So you know x minus y whole square, that will be equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square, which means x plus y, x square plus y square minus 2xy equals to 58. So we will have x square plus y square minus 2 into 2 into xy equals 58. So we have the value of the xy. The value of the xy is 24. So xy value, put it here. And when you multiply 2 with the 24, it will be 48. It's minus 48 here. Take it to the other side. On the other side, it will be positive 48. So you will have x square plus y square equals to 58 plus 48. So x square plus y square will be equals to 106. 106. So this is how you will do this question number 9. Okay. We have question number 10 is first part. Expand and simplify the expressions x, y, f plus 3 whole square. Okay. So f plus 3 whole square, very simple. It's like a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Square of the first term plus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term. So you will have f square plus 2 into f into 3 plus 3 square. So it will be f square plus 6f plus 9. So this is how you will do question number 10 and its first part. The question number 10 is second part. Hence, expand and simplify each of the question. Expression 2h plus k in one bracket plus 3 and a square bracket around them and whole square. So here the first term, a little tricky question here. The first term is 2h plus k and the second term is plus 3. So it's whole square. So square of the first term plus 2 into first term plus second term plus square of the second term. So when I will open it, it will be 2h whole square plus 2 into 2h into k plus k square plus 6 into 2h plus k bracket close plus 9. So it will be 4h square plus it will be 4hk plus k square plus 12h plus 6k plus 9. So it will be 4h square plus 4hk plus k square plus 12h plus 6k plus 9. So this is how you do question number 10 and its second part. So my dear student, by the question number by okay. So my dear students, today we have done the review exercise 4. And I have tried my best to explain these concepts, and I hope that you have learned, you will learn a few things from this exercise. And if you have found this video helpful and interesting, and you have found that this video was very useful for you, and if you think that this video can be useful to your junior students, to your senior students, or your any class fellows who are studying how to factorize, please share the link of this video with your friends through your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts. This will be a great appreciation for me and for my YouTube channel. I am very blessed that I am able to do this. And through this YouTube channel, I can help so many students around the globe. It's a blessing for me. So don't forget to like this video. Also, please subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day and God bless you all.